Hey YouTube, today I am replacing the driver's seat in my Porsche 944. I picked up an original Porsche 944 seat a couple hours away, and I'm going to be replacing the aftermarket seat with the original Porsche seat. As I'm cleaning this thing out, I've noticed the ground wire for the parking brake is disconnected. So you can see the lead terminal for it goes right there. We're going to get that plugged back in as well once we get this thing vacuumed completely out. It looks filthy in here. Well, we did it finally. You guys can see how long it took to put those bolts in, those 4 bolts. It was just rusted as can be, so they took forever by hand. All I had was that one Allen wrench. So, but it's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to get an original seat back in, and ow, just hit myself on the car. And we did. So I might drive it to see how the seat feels. I'm sure it's better than this piece of junk. Bubba, show him the seat. Show him the seat, Bubba. Yeah, Anthem boy. Cool. Well, that's it for today, guys. Sorry it wasn't too in-depth. It's 4 bolts. It's a car seat. So, nothing crazy. But if you enjoyed it, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Stick around for more content. There's a lot to do to this thing. Paint-wise, interior, exterior, engine-wise, we got a lot to do. But we're getting there. Take it easy.